What's going on, traders? So, this is the update to the 250K Apex Challenge account. They're pushing the 250K pretty hard. It's by the numbers, it's the hardest account to pass. I typically stick to 50Ks because you only have to go up 3,000 and the drawdown is 2,500. It's almost a one to one. And then when you go to 250, I have to make $15,000 and the drawdown is 6,500, which means I got to go more than double the drawdown to pass. The good news is once you pass, you only need to do I think it's 56 or $6,600 to take money out. Um, you know, and you could take. See what's weird is a 50K account, you could take $2,000 out a month, and 250K account you could take only $3,000. So it's not much more money you could take out. I guess the biggest benefit is once you pass, you could really make strides and trade it, and your drawdown is 6,500 bucks. So you could take some real good shots and try to grow this account. You could do the same thing with the 50K account, but you need to get out of the weeds first. You need to get, once you get the 50K account to 56 or $57,000, it's literally the same thing as a 250 account. Your drawdown is 65. If you get that 50K account to 5,600 and 56,500, it's basically the same drawdown as the 250 account. And then obviously, as you keep going up, the drawdown doesn't even matter anymore. Um, it's whatever. But I've wanted to pass one. I've tried twice, two times, once recently and once months ago, I guess. The one recently, I was up to $262,000 and I ended up blowing it. In this one, you could see how close I was because I was up $4,500 from where I am right now. So I was about $1,500 away from passing. I took a shot. It went against me. Now my drawdown is only 2,000 and I need to make about 5 grand. So basically, I need to take a good trade and probably hit it for about 600 or 1,000 bucks to get this drawdown up a little more. My biggest problem, if you look, you know, this was Friday. My biggest problem is these candles are very wicky. The volume was light. A lot of, so this was definitely like a bear flag setting up. And we broke it a couple times and just wicked right back up. I think it was due to the lack of volume. Um, just wasn't a good trading environment, and that's kind of where I lost the money. I took a sizable shot somewhere around here for bear flag breakdown, and I think we got it and then just shot right back up. It is what it is. You know, it's not a funded account, so I treat funded accounts much better. But realistically, the 250 account is kind of, I'll never do another one again. 50K accounts are where it's at for me because once you get out of the weeds and you grow it a little bit, the accounts are literally the same. There's no difference except for the fact I didn't have to make $15,000 with a $6,500 drawdown. More people blow the 250 accounts than anything. I can't even tell you how many times I've, you know, with these larger type accounts where I've made $5,000, $6,000 real quick, where I would have been funded easily with a 50K and I ended up blowing it and having nothing. So that's why right now I'm sitting on 11 funded accounts, all of them 50Ks, and I'm just trying to do this to see if I can do it. My friend passed it on Friday or Thursday, and I'm just trying to pass it, but I won't get another one. Um, Basically, I'm going to try for a nice pivot point rejection or something like that on I won't trade Monday, and Monday's light volume is Memorial Day. So on Tuesday, I will hit it pretty hard with something. And um, honestly, I'm going to hit it hard enough that I'm probably going to go from drawdown. I'm probably going to lose 1,500, or I'm going to smoke the account, or I'm going to make $2,000-3,000 on the trade and get me to where it needs to be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably going to do one solid trade. But when I mean one solid trade, it doesn't mean I'm just going to buy 10 contracts in. I'm probably going to leg into a position, and you know, that's what I'll probably end up doing is legging in and you know, just a quality setup and try to grab $2,000-3,000, get my drawdown back up to like 5,000, get the account to like 263,000, and then I'll be in the driver's seat to just put it over. So that's it. I mean, the first day I made 9 grand on this account. The second day I was up like 4,000, and then yesterday I took like a $3,000 hit. So it is what it is. We will come back. Come back on Tuesday. Anybody else trading these? Comment below. I want to hear what your thoughts are. But those are my thoughts on the 250K challenge. And you know, obviously I want to pass it, but after this, I'm going back to 50s only. If you want a bigger account, I would say the 150 is the way to go. But yeah, that's where I'm at. So be sure to subscribe for more updates. And yeah, I'm going trading live soon next month. So make sure you're around.